This is Carl Söyseth for Wolfire Games. I have been working with Wolfire Games for the past year and have recently been experimenting with adding online multiplayer to Overgrowth. It is famously difficult to add multiplayer support to a completed single-player game that uses a custom engine, but we would like to share our progress so far and invite players to try a public prototype of the internal_testing_multiplayer branch. This is how the game looks and runs on a versus level at the moment, with an online connection. The prototype currently has the following features: synchronized combat, map changes, and versus mode score, third person and side view camera modes, semi-functional co-op for the campaign, which is not fully tested, hot seat joining, where the host can automatically create an extra character if no playable characters are available, joining via either IP or Steam Friends, partial support for host editing the level in real time, although there are some stability issues when it comes to removing and adding objects. Our approach to online play is based on an extremely thin client architecture, where the client streams the game state down to unusual detail, including transforms of every bone in each character. This is inspired by Alex Austin's success with this method in Sub Rosa and A New Zero, allowing for complex physics-based gameplay involving many players. This method is similar to video streaming in that it is relatively non-invasive. Theoretically, any game can add multiplayer in this way regardless of the original architecture. There are two significant downsides to this approach. First, without client-side prediction of character movement, we cannot hide input latency. When the client presses a button, they have to wait for the server to reply before seeing the results. Second, it requires a lot of bandwidth. This can be reduced with compression, but the current unoptimized state of the online system means that we use around 100 kilobytes per second per character, so if you want to host a game, you need an upload speed of around 500 to 700 kilobytes per second to support a beefy game session. We have not spent any time optimizing the systems yet, since we're still focused on just getting them to work. There are two remarkable advantages with this approach. First, the host can modify the levels in real time using the built-in level editor. As we send the entire skeleton over socket, we also get character customization for free, meaning you can edit the character's muscle and fat and see the effect in real time. We have also synchronized the character color palette. The same goes for the attachment systems. In other words, character customization for RPG-related game elements coupled with the real-time editor makes a real-time D&D-like experience actually possible, among other things. We still have a lot left to fix until we can deliver such functionality in a robust way, but we have clear goals and we are making a lot of progress. Second, it should be possible for a lot of mods to work online. Some of them work with no changes at all, but we've also created a callback system for our script engine, where modders will be able to send AngelScript data between hosts and clients. To find the beta branch, click Overgrowth in your Steam library, click on Properties, Betas, Beta dropdown, and then internal_testing_multiplayer branch. After the game finishes downloading the branch, you're all set. A funny tidbit is that this branch has been hiding in plain sight since September. To join a friend's server, you can either join by clicking multiplayer while in the main menu. This takes you to the new multiplayer menu, where you then can type in their IP in the IP box and press connect. Or you could be invited by your friend who opens the menu while in game and selects invite friends. This will prompt the Steam overlay where they can select who to invite. If you run into any issues or are looking for people to play the game with, we recommend checking out the Overgrowth channel in our Discord server, which will be linked down below. Thank you for watching. Check out our other titles, Receiver 2 and our latest free iteration of low-light combat in Unreal Engine 5, and keep an eye out for more Overgrowth news coming soon.